Hi, this is session 24 of Apigee Edge course for beginners. In this session, we will see to restrict the request and allow only the limited number of requests to our endpoint. In the real world, due to some factors like security or performance, we may have to restrict and allow only the limited number of requests to our endpoint. For an example, if we want to allow only 5 requests for a minute and the request beyond that should be rejected, then how can we achieve that? Well, in Happy Edge, using Quota Policy, we can achieve this. And if the request, alright, if we could see, if we are making to allow only 5 requests for a minute, and if the first request comes in at 8 o'clock and 40 seconds, and if the quota is over, that is the 5 request has been allowed within this time, that is 8 o'clock and 50 seconds, then any calls which comes beyond 51 seconds to 59 seconds, then those call will get rejected. And I've covered the demo of basic quota policy in session 25 and session 26. Thanks for watching and have a great day.